Welcome everybody. We have this question. We expected to integrate integral 2 to 4 log x squared over log x squared positive log of 36 negative double x positive x squared. Now let me take this as I, and then I would like to rewrite this as integral 2 to 4 log x squared divided by log x squared positive. Now this is actually 6 negative x whole squared. If you were to expand this, you get 6 squared negative 12x positive x squared. Okay, so this is going to be log of 6 negative x the whole squared. Of course we got the dx there. Now we have a formula, log a raised to the power of b is nothing but b times log a. So by that formula we got 2 to 4, 2 times log x divided by 2 times log x positive 2 times of log of 6 negative x. Okay, now I can take 2 out and rewrite this as 2 to 4 log x divided by 2 out log x positive log of 6 negative x times dx. So 2 gets cancelled, giving me I is equal to integral 2 to 4 log x over log x positive log of 6 negative x times dx. Now we know a formula, integral a to b f of x times dx is equal to integral a to b f of a positive b negative x times dx. So wherever we got x, that x is going to be replaced as 2 positive 4 negative x. So the above integral is going to be rewritten as 2 to 4 log of 2 positive 4 negative x divided by log of 2 positive 4 negative x positive log of 6 negative of 2 positive 4 negative x times dx. So this is equal to integral 2 to 4 log of 6 negative x divided by log of 6 negative x. Now 6 positive 6 negative 6, they get cancelled, you get a positive x, so you get log of x times dx. You get I. I'm going to take this as 2. I already have this as 1, adding 1 with 2. So adding 1 with 2 we get. So I and I, you get 2 times I, integral 2 to 4 log x positive log of 6 negative x divided by the denominator log x positive log of 6 negative x log x positive log of 6 negative x. This is what you get. So they get cancelled, right? So this is going to give me 2 times of I integral 2 to 4 dx. I integrate dx, I get x, limits are 2 to 4. So you have 2 times I is equal to 4 negative 2, which is going to be 2. So therefore 2 times I is equal to 2. So I is equal to 1. So